Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shellcraft One and my old barn door, and I have a new digital to show y'all. My sweet friend has been asking me for one of these, and y'all know me, this holiday season has just run over me like a train, and I ran out of time, and I didn't think I would be able to do it, but I just kind of got inspired this weekend, and so I've spent the last several days working on this digital and the Christmas journal that we've been working on. Where is my Christmas journal? Yeah, this Christmas journal that we've been working on. I took the ephemera that's in this Christmas journal and I scanned it because it kind of goes with what we've been working on the last few weeks, as far as doing our scrap busters and making our Christmas ephemera with our scraps and all of that. And so I thought, well, why not just scan that, copy it into the computer and do some edits to it, and at least get that online as a digital for everybody, because I know everybody's been wanting a Christmas digital. So sorry about the lighting. I'm trying something new. I'm not sure how well it's working. It's almost like it's throwing shadows. So I'll keep working on it and try and get it better. But anyways, let's get to the digitals. So basically you have, there's 10 sheets of ephemera and there are 15 background sheets. Okay, so I'm just going to show you, we'll start with the background sheets. I'll show you each background sheet and then I'll show you each digital sheet. The background sheets I made by hand, like this sheet here. I created this. It's a mixed media sheet, and then I scanned it into the computer. So you'll get this as a background sheet, the front side of this, and then it kind of is a progression. The background sheets are, or the pages are, because I started playing. So I took this and I scanned it into the computer, and then I printed it out, and then I created this with it, and so it's kind of, like I say, I spent several days working on this, so you'll see the progression as I flip the pages. So there's this sheet, and you can either use this excuse me, as a page or to print on the back of your page. Okay. And then I thought, well, I'll add something else. So I added some pretty pine cones and berries and Christmassy looking stuff. And like these two, you can use those in anything. These, they don't have to be Christmas. So they're very versatile. So then I wanted to add some Christmassy stuff. So I have Christmassy stuff added. And then I added some more. And I added this Santa. I thought he was super cute with the pine cones and the berries. So I added that one. And then I picked another page. I had a blank music page, which you'll see in here. Well, I'll go ahead and show you. So there's this one, and so I scanned it in, and I printed it out, and so you'll get this as a background page, but it's not exactly this. It's what I did was I took two of these side by side and put them on the page kind of like this. So this side is this, and this side is this. So you'll have that as like a background sheet. And then I was playing with my Christmas papers and things and started doing some collage, and so this is one of the collage sheets that I did. And then I was playing with my Christmas ads, and I thought, ooh, it would be super cute to make a collage sheet with the Christmas ads. And I actually on both of these did quite a lot of stamping, and I added some of my stamps in. And so on this one, you've got the chicken wire and the barbed wire stamps, and then the cow and the milk jug. You've got the mason jar and the little pig. But I love the vintage ads, and I just kind of did a collage of them on the page with some vintage ledger and some of my vintage German book and some vintage music. So there's that one. And then I played with some of my papers, and I did a collage page. I actually think I was doing this when I did the video of letting you guys know that I was running the Black Friday sale, which, by the way, is still going on. And so I thought, well, why not make a digital and go ahead and get in the shop while the Black Friday sale is going on, you know, because the digitals are on sale too. So I'm going to try and get this in the shop so that you guys can get a good deal on it. So anyway, there's this collage page. And then this one, which is the one with the Santa, and I darkened it up some and added the reindeer and added lots of stamping and just kind of mixed media it up a little bit for you. Hopefully y'all can see them okay. I'm hoping the lighting is not terrible. Then there was this one. I was playing with some of my papers, and I'm just doing some collage with vintage book pages and dictionary pages. There's a little ledger here and some ledger here. And then I did a lot of stamping with the chicken wire and the postage stamps and the barbed wire. So there's that one. And then these are the background pages, like the back pages, like you would print on the back of your kit pages. So I started with this, and I collaged. I actually think I collaged the, let me find it, this page. I collaged this page, and then I flipped it over, and I did this on the back of this page, and it looked super cute. And I thought, well, I'll just scan those both and give them to them, and that way they can play with them and print those on the back of a page if they want to, or whatever. So, and again, this one's not, you know, specifically Christmas, so you could use it in any journal. And then I added some doilies, and so I thought, well, I'll go ahead and scan that in too and give them a couple of options. So this one you can use in any journal. And then I added the red truck with the Christmas tree just to add something Christmassy on there. And then I got a little crazy and added the bird and the pine cones. And so something fun to play with, something fun to print on the back of your pages. And then the last one is this beautiful avocado dyed page. And so I scanned it in, and it's in the kit too. It's a gorgeous page. I believe this is the side that I scanned. Because I loved the differences in the colors and the little splotches. So you'll get all 15. There's 15 pages in the journal. So you'll get all 15 of these. And then the 10 pages of ephemera. Okay. So what I did on this ephemera is I just, you know, I pulled from the journals, or, you know, my little box of ephemera that I have waiting to go in the journals. And, I just started scanning it in, and then I, you know, enhanced it a little and made it look good. And so on these pages, here's what I hate. I hate when I get a digital and there's a lot of white space, because to me, that is such a waste of paper. And so I packed these pages as full as I could. So you're going to get some duplicates of some things that I just kind of laid in here to try and fill in the white spaces. And that way, when you print your digitals, you know, you don't have all that white space left and it's wasted paper. So I wanted you to be able to utilize as much of the page as possible. So I would just shrink down some of the same ephemera that I have on another page and fill in the white spaces. So that's why you're going to see some of the ephemera multiple times in different sizes, and that way you get, you know, a better bang for your buck, so to speak, in using your ink and your paper. So this is the first one. I gave you some of the really large, well, I'll show you. I have it sitting here. So this is the original one, and it's almost as big as the original. I made it a little bit smaller, just so it wouldn't use up your whole page. And then this one, I have the original over there of that. Then you have a couple of these that we made. And a lot of them, if I had already put like a tag topper at the top, I just kind of chopped that off so you can use it like a journal tag. Okay, so there's that page. And then there's this page. This is a large one. Well, it's the same large one. And I made it a little bigger, but I wanted to get the back of the tag in there with it. And so I pulled it into Photoshop, put the two together, and that way when you print it out, then you can fold it, and you can either have a folding tag, or you can glue them, you know, put you some glue there, and that way you already have a backing on your tag. So there's that page. Then there's this page, and here again, here's where you'll see some of the duplicates, because I wanted you to have good sized tags. You know, I didn't want them to be so small that you're like, wow, that was really nothing. So I wanted you to have good sized tags, but I also didn't want to leave this whole space white, and so I just kind of filled in and put you some little things. I like cutting these out and putting them as page tabs, or, you know, stick them in the corner or use them in a cluster. Lots of things you can do with those. So there's that page. Here's a smaller of that folding tag. And then the cute Santa tag, my husband said that one's one of his favorites. And then again, I shrunk down some of the tags for you and just filled in the white space. And then there's this one, and this one has the pocket. It has, this was actually one of the little envelope pockets, and I thought the front of it was pretty, so I just made a journal card out of it. This is the little folding booklet that, folding pocket that folds over the page, and you glue on the bottom of each side, and that way you have a little pocket on both sides of the page. And again, I've filled in the white spaces with smaller tags. You have a sheet of journal tags. Again, these were pockets that I made for the journal, and I thought they would make cute journaling cards. You know, you could print them out and cut them up and use them for journaling cards. So hopefully y'all can see the whole thing. Okay, and then there's this sheet with the tags, and see again, I've added little ones down here at the bottom to fill in the white spaces, but again, I wanted you to be able to have good sized tags to be able to print and go in your journals. And there's this one. And again, I filled in the white space, but this is a, you know, these are good sized tags. And then my printer started running out of ink, so the last couple of pages may not look real great, but it's because it was because of my printer. This one I think turned out okay though. So there's this one and this one and this one, and like this one, you know, I cut off the top. This one I took the tie out of it so that it would copy well, or scan in well. All right, and then the last one, this is the one that didn't print so good. See how my printer started running out of ink? I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyways, this will not look like this when you print it. It's just because I need some ink and I'm waiting on HP. All right, and then there's this one, and I cut the tag, you know, at the top there. I left this little doily piece. I don't know if, can y'all see that in the camera? I left the little doily piece so that it would give you the option. You can either cut that straight across or cut out the doily pieces. And then again, I filled in the white spaces. So those are, oh goodness, printer ink. So those are the ephemera pages. And again, there are 10 ephemera pages and 10 journal pages. Whoops, I've got these upside down. 10 journal pages. So you can print these and make a journal with them. Again, I know it's late in the season. A lot of y'all have probably already made your December journals, but you may be making some as gifts. So I thought, you know what, I'll go ahead and get one in there just in case. And, you know, because I had this stuff available and there was no sense in wasting good ephemera. So I made the pages to go with it this weekend, and it will be in the shop when you see this video, so run and grab it, and hopefully y'all can have time to enjoy them. If not, you can enjoy the ephemera, because I know you're probably working in your December dailies and journaling along, so you can get the kit and use the pages as tip-ins or whatever. So anyways, I just wanted to show y'all I did finally get enough time to make one, and I'm still working on my Christmas journal, so you'll be seeing videos of that, but I wanted to go ahead and get these in the shop so that y'all could have them to play with in your December dailies, or, you know, your Christmas gift journals, whatever journal you're making as a Christmas gift. So thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all go and grab one, and I hope you enjoy it. I put a lot of work into it. I think I've spent more than 3 days working on these, so and that's 3 full days. Like, I didn't go to bed last night till like 3 a.m. So anyways, hope y'all enjoy them. I hope you have fun with them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, And please, please have a great day. Big hugs.